Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make an egg generator. This clever contraption automatically gathers eggs from chickens, providing you with a consistent supply. You can use these eggs for many purposes, such as crafting cakes, making pumpkin pie, or even throwing them to hatch more chickens. Building one saves you a lot of time and effort compared to collecting eggs manually. It is a simple yet highly effective farm. To begin, place a chest on the ground. This will be your storage for all the collected eggs. Next, crouch and place a hopper directly on top of the chest. Make sure the hopper's spout is facing into the chest. Any items, including eggs, that fall onto the hopper will automatically be moved into the chest below. This forms the essential collection mechanism for your generator. Now, create a small, enclosed area directly above your hopper. This space needs to be at least 1 block high to contain your chickens. You can lure existing chickens into this area using seeds, or hatch new ones by throwing eggs. To maximize egg output, breed your chickens by feeding them any type of seed. More chickens mean more eggs for your generator. To get the most eggs, aim for a large number of chickens in your enclosure. The more chickens you have, the faster your chest will fill with eggs. For very large farms, you might consider using multiple layers of hoppers and chests. Always double-check that your chickens are securely contained and cannot escape the collection area. Remember to regularly empty your storage chest to keep the system running smoothly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.